sweatshirt and gray sweatpants and no shoes at the time of his disappearance. Investigators believe Nain Dominguez was seen being carried to a white van by an older dark-skinned male. 3 other people were seen with the older male. The van is described as a large white panel van with no windows in the back. Last seen 1300 block of Forest Road. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.
Easter Bunny celebration with Easter berries is handcrafted with